So testing out the GoPro again, I changed the ISO back to auto because then it just chooses the right ISO for you. So I don't really know the specific use case to edit the ISO settings on this thing, but I'd imagine maybe in a situation where you want to shoot stars or something. That's something I was reading online. Like if you're setting it out in a super dark environment, you can really adjust the ISO to get the perfect shot. But I think for just vlogging and for just chilling, keeping it on auto is a good idea. And then another setting I just changed was I had it set to sharpness high, and now this is sharpness medium. So we're just really seeing what the difference is between those two. Still shooting in 5K 60, and yeah, still got some good light going on. Hoping to see what changes this makes and how I can apply that moving forward. So if you're seeing these are just kind of like test run videos. I'm figuring out my camera quality to make sure that I can bring the best content in the future. And I need to really stop looking at the small screen because that's the lens, right? I do the same thing when I'm on an iPhone. Like I feel like it's pretty common now. Everyone looks at the screen at themselves rather than looking at the fucking lens, which, come on, you know, it's like pretty basic. But yeah, just testing this out, seeing what we're working with here, and hopefully got some good light for the camera to pick up. And I'm hoping the auto ISO settings are better than whatever messing around with it that I did. So subscribe, like, comment, more great stuff on the way. Hopefully not too many more camera tests or camera talks, but yeah, let me know what you think of this quality. Cool.